I live on a farm just outside Brighton and Hove in the South Downs National Park. Earlier this year in March I bought a Wellis hot tub, the Kilimanjaro. We decided to buy one of these after having an inflatable hot tub for a couple of years to try out to see if we would use it, and we're very pleased with our purchase. The team at Wellis Sussex in Worthing were very professional, very helpful in their advice. The installation team were very, very good. They ran through the operation, the servicing, the maintenance. They cleared up, so apart from actually having the hot tub here, we wouldn't have known they'd been. We've thoroughly enjoyed having our new hot tub. It's very easy to maintain. We use the tablets in a little dispenser. We clean the filters out once a week with a hose. It maintains its temperature very, very well. Doesn't seem to use an awful lot of electricity, which is quite beneficial. After a day of bouncing around in a tractor, your lower back gets a bit sore, so to sit in the hot tub with the jets, slowly massaging your muscles helps release that tension, and then we can go to bed and get a good night's sleep. The customer feedback that we found online via the YouTube channel and the website was a very important factor in making us, or helping us choose a Wellis hot tub. We use it quite a lot as a family at the weekends. During the week, depending on how late we're working, depends on whether we use it, but my daughter is a huge fan, and we do have a lot of trouble trying to keep her out of it, along with her friends. So I'd have to say that the teenage daughter and her friends use the hot tub probably more than we do.
I use the hot tub kind of almost weekly at this point. I usually use it at the weekends after I've just done some homework. I'm coming up to my exam, so it's quite nice to just kind of sit in here and relax. My favourite feature has to be the lights. I love seeing all the different functions and colours and how bright they are, especially when it's really dark. My favourite memory would have to be once we finished harvest, my mother, my stepdad and I all sat in the hot tub and we listened to our favourite album from a movie we all love. And it was just really nice having that family time in such like a relaxing environment.
I would thoroughly recommend a hot tub to friends and family, and I would thoroughly recommend Wellis with their products, their service and their team, their sales team. It's a great product, it's very easy to maintain, keep clean, and it's actually no hassle at all.